Innovation is the perpetual driving force behind the product's sustained market success. Leisuwash consistently transforms its approach, always prioritizing user needs and the foundation for technological advancements in car wash systems. These innovations translate into superior, more professional designs that not only achieve exceptional cleaning results, but also unlock greater profit potential for users. The Leisuwash SG Plus stands out with remarkable innovations in both product design and operation. It features counter-adaptive rolling arms that automatically adjust height while intelligently identifying vehicle types. The system precisely calibrates washing distance and performs intelligent contour tracking with high-pressure jets, maintaining an optimal 35 cm distance and 100 kg per square centimeter pressure to effortlessly remove stubborn grime, delivering unparalleled cleaning efficiency. With the Leisuwash SG Plus system, users never need to worry about paint damage. During the entire washing process, only cleaning solutions and pressurized water can check the vehicle surface, eliminating stretches caused by abrasive sponges or brass friction common in traditional methods. The Leisuwash SG Plus Overload Lava Foam system will evaluate your car wash business. Under vibrant LED illumination, this innovative technology creates a silk-smooth fluid coating on vehicles. This unique and engaging customer experience leaves clients delighted with their gleaming cars while boosting your revenue growth. Furthermore, Leisuwash SG Plus offers premium value-added services, including soft water ceramic coating and magic shampoo gloss enhancement, transforming every wash into detailing great care to attract more discerning customers. Equipped with 426 Siemens 5.5 kW blowers, featuring frequency conversion silent technology, the system reduces draining noise while cutting energy consumption by 35%. This dual advantage lowers operational costs and expands suitability for diverse locations. Human-centric design principles are embedded throughout Leisuwash SG Plus. Cloud-based remote monitoring enables unmanned 24/7 operations via QR code activation. Smart connectivity features including data sharing and network integration allow users to experience its revolutionary capabilities firsthand. While the car wash industry has continuously evolved over the past decade, Leisuwash has progressed in lockstep with user demands and environmental requirements. Our unwavering commitment to reliable engineering and quality remain the bedrock of your trust.